Alright, so we have a N62 misfire on spark plug 7 and 8. Here's the harness. This car came from another shop, from a family friend, and they went ahead and they put new coils on that side. I swapped them over here to make sure the coils were at least not the issue. So I swapped those. They also did 8 spark plugs. So I ended up verifying that it's not coil or spark plug. It actually had a wiring issue, and I think I had some of the burnt wire. So there was 3 of them that looked like this. I don't know what I did with the other ones, but I did a temporary repair, did a continuity test. So far, I'm getting good readings. I just don't know yet if these repairs are still creating a bad signal when it goes back to the DME. So I got all that taken apart. I got my voltmeter. I'm trying to compare it to this side. This side looks a lot better, as if it was never open before. The grounds, I'm gonna have to do a ground repair on that side because the bolt was frozen. One of these little ones. Make sure you don't forget those. You could cause a spike back to the DME. But as of that, all this was already opened. Cylinder 7 is the one with the misfire, and that one had electrical tape, no butt crimps. It was just wrapped wire together. The only issue that I'm having right now is what this component is. It has a part number, so I'll probably look it up. I got good continuity from here to this ground, and this ground is for 7 and 8. This ground has no issues, but when it misfires, I feel like these 2 cylinders, 5 and 6, compensate. No misfires on 5. The wire's a little chewed up over there. I did go ahead and repair those. From here, so in here, I back probe. I also try to probe the wire, but I'm getting no continuity from here to here. I did find a electrical diagram, and it doesn't show this unit. It is a BMW part number. The only thing that throws me off is if it was a BMW original part, this component right here would be wrapped up, or this crimp, and it doesn't look like a BMW thing. So I don't know if somebody else put this there for some reason, and that just comes as a resistor. BMW 1. So that's the only thing that's throwing me off right now. I do want to get it back together. I do want to take that piece out and cover up this ground and see if that would change 7 and 8 from not misfiring. But I'm gonna look more into it, see if I could solve this. But other than that, that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna try to document these upcoming videos.